In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to your Squarespace website for seamless payments and transactions. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or are a veteran in online sales, integrating Square with Squarespace can streamline the way you handle payments, making it easier for you and your customers. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to log in to your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. If you're not familiar with the layout yet, the dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the main menu on the left side and click on Settings. This section is your gateway to various customization and management options for your website. After you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to select Commerce from the list you see. The Commerce section handles everything related to your online store, from your products to the sales channels you use. Once you're in Commerce, click on Payments. This is where you can manage which payment providers you want to connect with your Squarespace site. Now, in the Payments section, you'll see a variety of options for payment providers. Look for and click on Square from this list. Squarespace provides this integration so you can utilize Square's flexible payment processing capabilities directly on your site. As soon as you click on Square, you'll be prompted to log into your Square account. Here, you'll want to enter your Square login details. This step is pretty straightforward. Simply input your username and password. Make sure to authorize the connection when prompted, as this will allow Squarespace to process payments securely through your Square account. Before you get too far along, double-check that your Square account is fully set up and verified. This step is crucial to avoiding any potential errors when making the connection, as Square will require this verification to process transactions without hitches. Once your accounts are linked, you have some additional settings to consider. You can easily adjust options like accepted payment types and tax rates. These settings help customize the payment experience to align with your business needs and local legal requirements. Carefully review these options to make sure everything suits your business model. Finally, ensure all your adjustments and connections have been properly saved by clicking the Save button. This step ensures that your hard work doesn't go to waste, and everything is stored securely within Squarespace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Square with your Squarespace website. This setup is now ready to handle all your transactions smoothly. Feel free to explore further customizations and see how these settings influence your day-to-day operations. Hopefully, this guide made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Thanks for tuning in today.